String functions in Java. There are total 21 functions in string as a string function. So I had divided this video in two parts. In part 1, we will see some of the string functions which are commonly used in almost all the programs regarding string functioning. The first function that we are going to see is int length. This function is used to find the length of the string. It calculates the total number of characters present in the string and it returns an integer value. Now, this point is important. It calculates the total number of characters present in the string, including the white spaces which are in between the words. That means if a string is made up of more than one word, then the white spaces are also counted under the length of the string. If a question comes, enter a string and count the total number of characters present in the string, it means that we should calculate the length of the string, and that is the total number of characters present in the string. Let us see one example. String str equals to computer application. Now this computer application returns the length of the string as 20. So if we write int length of the string, this is the variable name which holds the length of the string returned by str.length, it will return 20. So the length of the string starts with 1. Let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is your 9. White space is also counted. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, the length of the string returned is 20. The second example, int len equals to apple.length. Now, we see here, instead of passing a variable, we can also pass the string directly. So, it will return 5. Further, we proceed to the next function, that is Tarat. Tarat is also a very important function as it is helpful in extracting the character from the index, from the string, from any index location. Index location we have already discussed. Let us just revise once. If a string S1 is question paper, the first character will have the index value of 0. That is, it is a character representation of an array. So we see that the first index location of the array is 0. That's why the Q will have the index value of 0. And the last one will have 13, as the last index value is always length minus 1. If it is the length of the string, then it would have started with 1 and ended up to 14. But here, regarding the index, it starts with 0 and the last index location is always length minus 1. So it is written, it is an important function to extract the characters from the given index location of the string. Tarat accepts an integer value and returns a character. Let us see one example. Char ch equals to s1 dot tarat. Now s1 is my question paper. Character at 6th index location. So character at 6th index location is O. So my output will be O. To extract the character from the string and print. Suppose a question comes, extract the character from the string and print one after the another. For that, we will first enter the string system.out.println, enter a string str equals to sc dot next line. So with this method we will input a string and we declare a ch as a character variable which is now empty. Next we will find out the length of the string. So int len equals to str dot length. And then we will run a loop in your ascending order, means from 0 to len. So I equals to 0 because 0 indicates the first index location. If we write here 1, then the first character we will drop. So it is important to start with 0. I is less than len, I plus plus. So character by character we are moving. And to extract, we are writing ch equals to str.char@, I. So one after the another, each character from 0th location, first character extracted got printed. Then I will increase by 1. Now the second character will get extracted and will get printed. Like this till we reach to the last character. It will extract the last character, will store in ch, and it will be get printed. Remember, since we are starting with 0, we have to go here I is less than len. If we put here equal to, we have to write length minus 1. Suppose my string was xyz, then the output will be xyz as a character. Means it is extracted from the string and printed one after the another. The next function is string to uppercase. We have seen that 2 uppercase and 2 lowercase are present with the characters also. So it is used to convert the entire string to uppercase character all at once. It means if the question comes, input a string and convert it into uppercase, we will not use to extract the character and to convert it into uppercase character by character. Instead of that, we will directly write str.toUppercase, and it will convert the entire string one at a time to uppercase. If the string or an character of the string is in uppercase, suppose the string in which you have to convert, few characters are already in uppercase and there are some special characters also used like question mark, explanation, asterisk, colon, dot. Any special character is used, then it will remain as it is. It will remain same. That will not change to uppercase or lowercase. If it is in uppercase, it will remain in uppercase only. And if there are some special characters, characters will remain as it is. Let us see one example. String str equals to company asterisk asterisk. When we write str.toUppercase, like string str1 equals to str.toUppercase, the output will, the company which is written in a small letter converted to uppercase, but asterisks remain as it is. The second example, to accept a string from the user in uppercase. So we will input a string, system.out.println, enter a string str equals to sc dot next line, and then either we can make use of another string or in the same string str equals to str dot to uppercase. We would have declared another variable also, string str1 equals to str dot to uppercase, or the same string can be again reinitialized by the uppercase. So we will write str equals to str dot to uppercase if in a question it is asked to accept the string in uppercase. Similarly, we are having another function, string to lowercase, to convert the string in lowercase all at once. And here also, if in the string there are already some lowercase characters present or any special symbol is present, it will not change. The symbols will remain as it is and lowercase will remain as it is. Only the uppercase characters will be converted to lowercase. We see one example here, string str equals to computer. String str1 equals to str dot to lowercase. Now we should pay attention how to write. See, 2 is in small letter, L is in capital letter, case C is also in capital letter without any gap. So, it will convert my computer written in capital letter to the lowercase, and my output will be computer in lowercase. There is an important point that we should note. If a character is extracted from the string and we have to convert the extracted character to uppercase or lowercase, then we make use of character.toLowercase and we pass the variable ch here. It means we have to make use of character functions to convert the character to lowercase or to uppercase, being doing the program using the string function, where ch is the variable which holds the extracted character of the string. If the character is in string form, suppose the character which you have inputted is already in string form, then we will not go with character.toLowercase, but we will convert it by making use of toLowercase in strings. So string s1 equals to ch.toLowercase. Similarly, ch.toUppercase if it is a character that is declared is in a form of string. If the character to be extracted from string, suppose system.out.println enter a string and we have inputted a string and we have extracted the first character of the string, then in programming form we will write char ch1 equals to character.toLowercase, or we will write character.toUppercase, because it is now from the string it is extracted and now it is as a character, and we will print ch1. So this is the normal method of converting from lowercase to uppercase, where we have to pay attention what we are extracting. Whether we have to convert the entire string, then we will make use of string.toLowercase. If we have to make conversion of a character, then we are extracting a character from the string. That character is no more a string, it is a character. So we have to make use of character function to convert. Let us see one example. String str equals to books, and suppose the first character that is extracted is B, and then by making use of character.toLowercase ch, now it will print small b. So this is the important point that we have to pay attention while doing the programming. The next important function is string trims. Trimming means to removing what? This function is used to remove leading and trailing blanks from the string. It means the empty spaces which are present at the front and at the back of the string. Basically, trim is used before calculating the length of the string in order to get the accurate length of the string. Let us see one example. String str equals to I love my country India. Now you can see I had put some hyphens here indicating that these are some blank space before closing the string. So when we calculate the length of the string, it returns 26. As we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. There are 2 white spaces here left. So this is not the exact length of the string, and just now we have learned that the total number of characters present in the string is equivalent to its length of the string. And in this case, if we say that the total number of character present is 26, it will become wrong, because the characters are only from I to A, where these are the empty blanks. So best way is we first trim it. It means we remove the white spaces. To trim, we will write str equals to str dot trim. And then when we calculate the length of the string, it will return 23, which is the exact number of characters which are present in the string. Now it is a very important note. This is been asked in your board also. Trim function do not remove the blank and extra spaces from in between the string. It only removes the extra blanks present from the front and the back of the string. It means these blanks which are present in between the words are not removed. Only the front and the back leading spaces are only removed. The next function that we will see is string concat, string S. Now concat function is used to concatenate, that is to join two or more than two strings together. We also make use of plus to join two or more strings. Here this plus is no more an arithmetical operator, but it works as a string concatenator. So we see from here string X equals to effective, string Y equals to learning. When we write string Z equals to X dot concat Y, the output will be effective learning without any gap. If I write Y dot concat X, then it will be learning effective. So we have to pay attention what is concatenating. And in concat function do not provide the gap. For that we have to add. That's why we make use of plus, where the multiple of strings can be joined together easily. The next function that we will start is replace. A very good function and a very helpful in doing the programming. This function is used to replace existing character of the string with new character passed as an argument. Now the replace functions are in two ways. One to replace the character to character, another to string to string. So the syntax is string replace. We first write the old character which is present in the string, comma, the new character which you want it to replace. Means the old character will be replaced with the new one. So let us see the example. String S equals to coconut. So coconut, C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Now here I am replacing string P1 equals to S dot replace O comma X. So O is the old character which is present in the string, which I want to replace with X. So wherever the O's are present, that will be replaced by X. Not only the one occurrence, but as many times it is present in the string, all the places it will be replaced by X. We will see the replace function with the string, where multiple of characters can be replaced. So we see the syntax is more or less same. String replace old string with the new string. This function is used to replace a sequence of characters by another sequence of characters. We'll see one example. String send equals to, send means sentence, equals to I love India. String S1 equals to send dot replace. We are replacing from the sentence love with salute. So after that, this will give the output I salute India. Now this is an important thing that you have to understand. See the length of the love. L-O-V-E having 4 characters, whereas salute is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters. So automatically the length of the string will increase. We see the another function, that is int value of. This function we have seen earlier also, and the value of function is used to convert a string to primitive data type, provided that the argument passed as a string is a numeric or a digit representation. Like what we are trying to convert is supposed to be a numeric number in a string form or a digit in a string form. In case an alphanumeric string present as an argument, then it will throw a number format exception. Thank you.